Welcome back. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to make your videos sound clean, balanced, and professional. Great visuals mean nothing without great sound. Your audience might forgive poor visuals, but they will not forgive bad audio. So you have to make sure that your audio is clear and balanced. So to achieve this, let's go to our VN video editor. As you can see here, we've imported some sounds here, and we have music. We also have our voiceover. Remember, I told you in the previous lesson that your music and voiceover should have balanced volume. So your music should not overpower the voiceover. If it overpowers the voiceover, the viewers will get tired of your video and they may not watch it anymore. So if you click on it, you can just use the volume here to keep the volume around this figure as you see here. So let's first start with the voiceover. To balance your voiceover with your music, adjust your voiceover to around 80 to 100%. As you can see here, this is 80% or 100%. If you need a high volume, you take it to 100%. Yes. Now to have a good balance too, we will now want to go to the music. So touch on your music video. So after adjusting it, just click on the tick sign here and then come here to your music. Click on it, come to volume, see, click on it. So your volume should be between 10 to 30%. So since our voiceover was 100%, it is not bad if we leave it at 29%, or we just take it to 25 or 26. Yes, so this will have a balanced sound. Just click on the tick when you are done. Now let's talk about sound effects. So to add sound effects to your video, you come here, still on music, just tap on the music, and then you see here effects. Click on the effects. Here in VN, we have different sound effects. So this is fast switch, this is funny, this is vehicle, this is ringing, this is machine, this is cartoon, and other ones. So you can use any sound effects depending on your video. For example, let's try some of the sound effects and hear how they sound. So click on it and then you can play it out and see. Good. So you can use those ones if you want to draw people's attention to what is on the screen, and it is very effective. So when you come here to vlog, you will see different sounds like camera switch sound, for example. The another one is flash and bang. Then you see have another one like camera snap and camera shots. Good. So depending on the type of video that you are creating, you can use any of this sound. Let's say we want to add this camera shot to our video. You click on the use sound here and it will be added to your video for you. So when you add it, you can play your video to know where you want it to stay. If we are transiting from one scene to the other, for example, let's play the video and see.
She married a madman, then found out he was a millionaire. Everyone mocked Ada for marrying a madman. He wore torn.
So that didn't work so well. You can just go back again and adjust it. Click on it and then you drag it backward just a bit. Good. And if you want to expand your timeline, make sure you use your two fingers to expand it like this so that you can see what you are doing more clearly. You can adjust it to the place that you are switching from one scene to the other. So let's play it again.
She married a madman, then found out he was a millionaire. Everyone mocked Ada for marrying a madman. He wore.
Okay, so you can still adjust it.
For marrying a mad.
You can keep it right here. You can keep it right there. So let me show you something. If you come here, if you click on any of these feature here and you want to play, you do not see the play button. Just click on the timeline right here. Then the play button will come out.
She married a madman, then found out he was a millionaire. Everyone mocked Ada for marrying a madman. He wore torn clothes, talked to himself, and
That is fine. That is how you add sound effect to your video. I hope that is clear. If you have any question, please let me know by asking the question that you have in mind. Thank you very much. I am always available to help you. Thank you very much.